Hi everyone, welcome to the Industrial Automation online course. I am Abhishek Sharma, an automation engineer having 5 years work experience on PLCs, SCADA, HMI, DCS, etc. I am passionate towards teaching and here I am going to share my knowledge with everyone who wants to join or watch this online PLC programming course. Now, definitely you will think what is the importance of PLC training. PLCs stands for Programmable Logic Controller, are the most important hardware used to control industrial operation. With the help of this online course on PLC, you will learn each and every programming condition about PLCs. You will get practical based knowledge of PLC programming, the most demanding controller Allen Bradley on the basis of your comfort and time. Automation technology is being used in almost every kind of industries and is backbone of manufacturing, oil and gas, wastewater treatment and cement plants, pharmaceuticals and chemical industries. Some companies who are making various PLCs are Allen Bradley, Modicon, Omron and Siemens. Knowledge of PLCs, SCADA and DCS will make you suitable to find out better career opportunity as well as it will add additional technical skills according to the modern industrial requirements. This course is beneficial for the students of MTech, BTech and Diploma with electrical, electronics and instrumentation background. This course is remarkable asset for working professional as this program will improve and update their skills on accordance with modern industrial requirements. During this program, we will cover every kind of work that occurs in process industry with various practical examples for your better understanding. After completion of this course, you must be comfort to work on PLC software and PLC programming as well as industrial working and controlling process via PLC. Career opportunity for you. Nowadays, almost every manufacturing companies are using automation in various ways according to the need of running process. Automation is everywhere and it has taken a main role in today's industrial age as most of the companies are dependent on PLC and PLC training resources. Therefore, it is somehow being mandatory to learn this instrument for better job and maximize our own skills according the demand. Some benefits of automation technology: increasing productivity, increasing quality, reducing cost, increasing safety in working condition. An automation engineer yearly average salary is more than $70,000. In this course, you will work on various practical based examples and must be confident over programming on PLC as well as wiring, PLC software installation, communication between PC and PLCs. Here we will start from beginning to expertise level by practically solving the questions and completing the project work based on learned topics. Now I will let you know about the course structure. This course includes total 9 modules. Module 1st, History and Working of PLC in Industrial Automation with Wiring Diagram. Module 2, Basic for Programming of Micrologix 1000 PLC. Next, Holding and Interlocking Concept. Module 4, Timers. In the timers, we will learn 3 types of timers over here: T-on, T-off, RTO. Next module, Counters. It will cover 2 major counters, namely counter up and counter down. Module 6, Compare block. Module 7, Mathematical blocks. Module 8, Move blocks and latch unlatch output. At last, module number 9, Program control block. Every module is having its subparts. If you want to become expert on Allen Bradley PLC programming, join us. Thank you very much for watching. See you at course.